Do your knees make noise but no pain? Try these 2 exercises. Sit on a chair. Hold your thigh still with your hands. Rotate your shin outward 5 times, then inward 5 times. This keeps your knee joint moving smoothly. Repeat for 3 sets on each leg.